Good morning, Samir. Thanks for meeting me. I wanted to talk about something that's been on my mind a lot lately, artificial intelligence. Specifically, I want to discuss what it means for a business to be AI ready. It feels like a term everyone is using, but the definition can be a bit fuzzy. It's a crucial topic for our future, and I think we need to get a clear picture of what it entails for us and for any modern company trying to navigate this new landscape.
Good morning, Laila. I'm glad you brought this up. It's a conversation we absolutely need to have. You're right, the term is everywhere. In simple terms, AI readiness is about preparing your company to use artificial intelligence effectively. It's not just about buying some new software. It's about having the right foundation in place. This includes having good, clean data, training your people with the right skills, and creating a culture that is open to new ways of working with technology. It's a holistic approach to transformation.
That makes a lot of sense. So it's more of a company-wide mindset shift than just a technological upgrade. When you say good, clean data, what does that look like in practice? I imagine many companies, including ours, have data scattered everywhere in different formats. Is organizing that data the first real step? It sounds like a massive undertaking, but I can see how AI would be useless without a reliable source of information to learn from.
Exactly. Think of data as the fuel for an AI engine. If you put dirty, low-quality fuel into a high-performance car, the car won't run well. It's the same with AI. Good data is organized, accurate, and accessible. For a retail company, this could mean having a single, unified record for each customer, combining their online purchase history with their in-store visits. Without this clean data, an AI system trying to predict what a customer might buy next would be working with an incomplete and confusing picture, leading to poor recommendations.
That car analogy is very helpful. It clarifies why the foundational work is so critical. This brings me to my next question. Why is this so important right now, on June 11th, 2025? It feels like the pressure to adopt AI has intensified dramatically over the past couple of years. Are companies that fail to become AI ready truly at risk of being left behind? We've seen technological shifts before, but this one feels different, more fundamental to the core of business operations.
The urgency is real, Laila. The world is moving faster than ever before. Competitors who use AI can make smarter decisions more quickly. They can understand their customers on a deeper level, optimize their supply chains to cut costs, and create more efficient internal processes. A business that ignores this shift is like a ship captain choosing to navigate with an old paper map, while others are using advanced satellite GPS. They might be fine for a while, but they will eventually fall behind, lose their way, or hit an obstacle others could see and avoid.
So it's a matter of competitive survival. I can see that. Could you give me an example? How would AI readiness give a company a tangible edge in the market today? Let's think about a service-based industry like a call center. How would an AI-ready company operate differently from one that is not? I think a practical case would help illustrate the gap between the two and the real-world consequences of inaction.
A great example. An AI-ready call center would use AI to analyze customer calls in real time. The AI could provide the agent with instant suggestions on how to solve the customer's problem, pull up relevant information from the knowledge base, and even gauge the customer's emotional state through tone analysis. This leads to faster resolutions and happier customers. The company that isn't AI ready is still relying on agents manually searching for information, leading to longer wait times and frustrated customers who may switch to a competitor.
The difference is stark. Happier customers and more efficient employees are powerful motivators. So let's get practical. If a company wants to start this journey, what are the first concrete steps it should take? We've talked about cleaning up data, which is a huge project. What else is involved? How do we get our employees on board? I worry that people might see AI as a threat to their jobs rather than a tool to help them.
That's a very important point. The human element is key. The first step is leadership commitment. The leaders must clearly communicate a vision for how AI will help the company and its employees, not replace them. The next step is to start small. Don't try to implement AI across the entire company at once. Pick one specific problem like improving customer email responses and run a pilot project. This allows you to learn and demonstrate value quickly, which helps get everyone excited and on board.
A pilot project sounds much more manageable. It creates a success story that can be shared. And what about skills? Do we need to hire a team of data scientists and AI experts right away? Or can we train our current employees to work with these new systems? Many of our team members are incredibly knowledgeable about our business, and I'd hate to lose that expertise. I believe in investing in our own people first whenever possible.
Investing in your current team is the best approach. While you might need to hire a few specialists, much of the work involves upskilling your existing workforce. You can offer training programs that teach them the basics of AI, how to interpret data, and how to use the new AI tools. The goal is to create citizen data scientists, people who understand the business deeply and can use AI to solve problems in their own departments. This empowers your employees and makes the transition much smoother.
I love that term, citizen data scientists. It frames it as an opportunity for growth. So let's look ahead. Once a company has done the hard work, cleaned its data, trained its people, and started implementing AI, what are the long-term benefits? We've touched on efficiency and customer satisfaction. How does this translate into overall business development and growth? What does the future look like for a truly AI-ready organization?
The benefits are transformative, Laila. You'll see better decision-making at every level. Instead of relying on gut feelings, managers will have data-driven insights to guide their choices about new products, marketing campaigns, or market expansion. You'll also see a huge boost in innovation. When you automate the repetitive, boring tasks, you free up your employees' time and mental energy to focus on creative problem-solving and developing new ideas that can propel the business forward.
So it's about elevating the nature of work itself. Better decisions and more innovation are a powerful combination. It seems AI readiness allows a business to not just keep up, but to actually shape its own future more proactively. It can anticipate market changes instead of just reacting to them. For example, it could analyze market trends to predict the next big consumer demand before it even happens, giving it a first-mover advantage.
Precisely, that is the ultimate goal. An AI-ready business is agile, forward-looking, and resilient. It can adapt to challenges and seize opportunities much more effectively. The benefits compound over time, creating a powerful cycle of continuous improvement. This conversation has been very productive. I feel confident that by focusing on data, people, and a clear strategy, any company can successfully navigate this transition and unlock tremendous growth for years to come. AI isn't just a tool, it's a new way of doing business.